Hey you guys, welcome to Modern Sun Toy Review. Today I'm going to choose 5 different kind of blind bags or blind boxes to open with you guys. I'm going to close my eyes while I'm doing it. So let's start. See how it goes. We got one. So let's see, we got Johan French Louise. So we got Shopping's White Style Season 9. And let's see. Oh, what was this? So, My Little Pony. And this one, yeah, let's take that. Ooh. Batman Lego, and the last one is Doodle down here somewhere. Disney Samsung squishies, 1 pack. So these are the ones that we got. So before I start opening them, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and maybe write us a comment. We would love that. So I'm just gonna dive right into it and open them. Mostly because I'm really excited to see what we get. Let's see if my camera can be still. So I'm gonna start off with the Disney Tsum Tsum. So I love the Disney Tsum Tsum, and I really hope to get the full collection. And I really hope we get another series soon, because it's starting to get hard to find the season 1 series. So we got, this is Bambi, I think. In that case, I don't think we have her. So let's see if I can find it. Check this. Oh, she's really squishy. So let's see. I'm gonna put her here for a moment. It's Bambi, and she is a rare. Nice. So let's put her here. The next one I'm gonna open is the My Little Pony. And let's see if we can have someone fun. Well, mostly someone we don't have. So we got. Ooh, we don't have her. Oh wait, or do we? No, I don't think we have her. No. But she's pretty. I love her mane. And tail. Do they call it tail on horses? I think so. I'm not sure. That was just a trailer. So, we got... No. I do have Locket, but anyway. Locket and Mary Bell collects beautiful hats. Oh, sorry. You might want to see all of them. So this is those you can get in this collection. Nice. I'm gonna save that one. The next one I'm gonna open is the Yoho and Friends. These are one of my absolute favorites. Ooh, I did not have this one. Nice. So this is Monkey. Pretty. That is Sunny, number 15. I still haven't got any of these rare ones. I guess they are rare, or the first one. So I really would like one of those. But this time we got Sunny. Cute little monkey thing. I think, yeah, it was monkey. Pretty. Love it. So, the next one I'm gonna open are the Batman Lego Series 2. Where are the list? I'm gonna look at that soon. We got, oh, someone huge. So I think that was it. So let's see if we can build it. Yeah. It's got a Superman logo on it. Weird. So this is someone. That doesn't look that nice though. Where is this supposed to be? Back here maybe? Oops, he lost his legs. I have no idea who this is, to be honest. So if you guys know, please tell me. Okay, the thing was not supposed to be on his back because he was supposed to hold it. Seriously, he keeps losing his legs. You see, it was not me this time. How is he supposed to hold? Oh, I'm so stupid sometimes. Yeah. So this is the one that we got. It's this one down here. I want that one. Or that one. Or that one. Yeah, I want all of them. So, let's put him there because we're gonna open the Shopkin Season 9 thing. Let's hope for the unicorn one. I still haven't got it. I really want it. That was the checklist. I'm just gonna rip it out because I want the unicorn, please. There's not the unicorn one. I think this is a cat or something, maybe. It's pretty anyway. These are the bags. And let's open them. Oops. So, nice. We got someone from the gym collection. That's usually like a rare, I think, or something. Put it there for a moment. And a glittery piano thing. So I'm gonna see if I can find them. So the first one is Polly Polish. That is a returning Shopkins, and it's actually ultra rare. Oops. So that's really nice. And the other one we had is the glitter thing. That's Kayla keyboard, and that is a common. Really pretty, I have to say. So today's loots are these cute ones. So I'm really happy with everything that we got, and I hope you guys are happy too. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys next time. Bye.